Thanks to several pioneering missions to certain asteroids, we have been able to learn more about the origin of our solar system, about the role asteroids played as the building blocks of planets and in delivering the elements of life. Nonetheless, some unsolved mysteries remain. One of these mysteries is what is at the core of large planets. Although we can indirectly study the deep interiors of planets for clues about their origins, it's impossible to drill down into the core of any sizable object in space, including Earth. Nevertheless, a rare object called Psyche may offer the opportunity to explore a planet-like body's core without any digging. The asteroid Psyche appears to be the exposed iron-nickel core of a protoplanet, a small world that formed early in our solar system's history but never reached planetary size. Like Vesta and Ceres, Psyche's path to planethood was disrupted. There's an upcoming mission to this unique and strange asteroid that will help tell the story of planet formation by conducting an in-depth study of this metal object. NASA's Psyche mission. The mission is scheduled to launch in 2022 and will reach its target after a 3.5-year journey in 2026. It will help us to understand a previously unexplored building block of planet formation, iron cores.
We've never actually had a chance to visit a world that's made out of iron, which may be a metal world. We think the way you would get metal worlds is possibly they are the cores that have been extracted from a larger, probably asteroid, or maybe even a small mini planet that was blown apart by some gigantic collision very long ago. So this is our opportunity to see what cores of worlds may be like. But there's also this interesting question about what should geology be like on an iron world?